Hi, everyone. We just released ADI's 2026 Energy Transition Outlook. And the big theme that we are seeing is the great fragmentation. We are seeing a shift where universal policies and models are being replaced by regionally distinct strategies. Policies defining the boundaries in terms of where the opportunities are. So frameworks like CBAM in Europe and FEOC rules here in the US are becoming critical for companies to play in the space. The ability to certify life cycle emissions and supply chains is becoming a requirement for market access in a lot of energy transition spaces. The second highlight that we see is the role of AI. Data centers have emerged as the primary force towards clean energy because grid interconnection queues now stretch through 2030. A lot of hyperscalers are becoming market makers. They are increasingly taking a bring your own power strategy, essentially bypassing traditional utilities to sign direct long-term deals for firm zero carbon power to keep their AI workloads running 24/7. The third highlight is what I call the storage supercycle. We are seeing grid scale storage move into a genuine supercycle. Global sales volumes is projected to double in 2026. We are seeing a pivot in capital towards these proven storage-based platforms and grid modernization. Investors are moving away from a lot of speculative moonshots and gravitating towards infrastructure that can deliver fairly reliable cash flows and essentially support the massive demand growth that we are seeing in power from the digital economy. We'll discuss a lot of these shifts from carbon accounting to infrastructure needs of AI at the ADI Forum, where we have a lot of interesting speakers. It's coming up next week on January 28th in Houston, and I hope you will join us. I'll provide a link to the full energy transition outlook and a link to the ADI Forum in the comments below. Thank you for watching.